Hi, it's Lauren from Fine and Country in South Molton and welcome to our latest listing. Behind me here is Little Venhay, an absolutely beautiful 4-bedroom detached property. Now here we've got just under 5 acres, a holiday let, multiple outbuildings, a swimming pool and also the most amazing party barn. So come on in and take a look. This exquisite home is equally as impressive internally as it is externally, with beautifully presented large living spaces, rich in character features from the cobbled floors to the exposed beams. This home really is something quite special. Now you've had a look in the main house, behind me here is the beautiful 3-bedroom holiday let, which has been refurbished by the current owners to offer impeccable accommodation. So come on in and take a look. Now this home really does just keep on giving. We are here in the party bar. What more could you need with a property? It's got a holiday let, a stunning 4-bedroom house, a swimming pool, just under 5 acres, outbuildings, and you can finish your day with a drink in the bar. The grounds here at Little Venhay are equally as impressive as the accommodation. You've got just under 5 acres of grounds with 2 wildlife ponds, an orchard and wildlife in abundance. Rich in history, this property is believed to have been built for the Earl of Portsmouth as a hunting lodge. So it really is something quite special and we would love to show you around. So please give us a call on the number below and we'd be delighted to tell you more.